Hello again, everybody. This is me, Ashana, and we have another job which is scheduled for interview tomorrow, January 17. That will be a Wednesday. This is a factory, and the job description for this will be design. This is a CAD or a product. This is actually a production inspection and installation job. So again, this is a factory job. The salary for this will be from 200,000 yen to 250,000 yen. The location for this will be in Edogawa ward in Tokyo, and there will be a bonus also for this job. So we are looking for 2 people. So if you are interested to apply for this factory design CAD installation job, please comment down below. This is scheduled for interview tomorrow, January 17, Wednesday. The interview venue will be in our office in Tokyo at Kanda Station. So you can comment down below, or you can also call our office number if you are willing to apply for this job. For other jobs, we do have jobs for interview every day. We have a schedule from Monday to Sunday, so you can directly contact me, or you can also comment down below. Thank you.